Hello and welcome to BMed in Revit tutorials. In this Revit tutorial I would like to show you how to add bird silhouettes as a text font to the presentation of your facade sections and 3D views. In the first part of the video I will show you the date version, and in the second part of the video I will show you the night version. In other words, I will show you how to make white and black silhouettes of birds. Now here you can see an example that I did before. I duplicate the view and I will turn off everything beside the text just to show you how to turn normal text to the bird silhouettes text font. Okay. And now I will turn off the background photo and I will delete the text, the bird silhouette text. Now here when we write the uppercase letters, the birds will fly in one direction, and when we write the lowercase letters, the birds will fly in opposite direction. And just to show you how it looks, I will write an example here. Now I will change the name birds test, and from here I will use the font. I will choose the font of bird silhouettes. Okay, that's it. Now I will just make this silhouette looks bigger. Okay, and you can see here the silhouettes are in one direction. I used big letters, and now I will show you when I use lowercase letters, the birds will turn to the opposite direction. Okay. Now you can see for every bird here. Now I will use the small letter and the silhouettes will turn to the opposite direction. You can see from here. Okay. This one too. Now we will turn the flamingo. Okay. Just to mention, in case the bird silhouettes are not fully visible, you need to press enter to move the text down. Okay, you can see here for one direction I use uppercase letters, and for other direction I use lowercase letters. And here you can see examples. You can change the color of the letters. In that case, the silhouettes will, the colors of the silhouettes will be changed. Okay, here I use ETZ, and by changing the font, birds of the feather. Now here you can see my bird silhouettes are not visible completely, and by pressing the enter I move them down and they appear. Alright, from here I will make them a little bit bigger. Okay, from here you can change the color. It can be gray or black. You can in this way you can make the illusion to show the birds that are near they can be darker from the birds that are far, and in the same way you can change the how the birds will be, the size of the birds. Sorry. Okay, in the 3D view we will use the same method. Only for the perspective views you can't add the text directly. First you need to add the 3D perspective view to the sheet, and from there you can add the bird silhouettes to perspective 3D views. Okay. All right. And by playing with colors and with size of the bird silhouettes, you can make a good and very simple presentation in Revit. All right. Okay. By choosing the only one type of the birds and changing the size, you can create the group of the birds with same colors, directions. Okay. Now, as you can see, by changing the letter, for one direction I use uppercase letters, and for other direction I use lowercase letters. Now I will try to put the birds from one and from other side of this box here. Okay. I will move them to other side. Okay, we have two birds. One is from one, and the other is the opposite side of this box here that we use for 3D orientations. Okay. Just to show you examples. Now you can see this is a realistic watercolor presentation we have here. If I change the hidden line, in the hidden line visual style, it looks like something like this. Okay, and in the realistic style, this is how it looks. And now I will show you the night version of the bird silhouettes, or in other words, how to create a white bird silhouettes. The most important thing here is that when you change the color of the bird, of the text, don't make it completely white. I will show you later. If you do the color completely white, the birds will not change. It will stay the black. Okay, now here I will add the text. All right. The color of the text is black, so it won't be visible, and I will move it down so we can see the changes. Okay. Birds 10. Alright, and now we have an eagle here. By changing the text font for bird silhouettes, it will change. Now we have an eagle here, a flying eagle. Okay, and now I will change the color of these birds. It will be something near white. If you make it completely white, it won't change. It will stay the black. Okay, now you can see. By copying them, also you can change the you can create another bird, or you can change the way bird fly, the direction that the birds fly. As I said before, you did that by using the small or large letters. Okay. Now I will change I'll create a new birds. I will create a new group of the birds. And I will change the direction, the flying direction of the birds. How to create such presentation? Here you can see the watercolor presentation, night and day version. If you want to learn how to do, and if you like to do something like this, you can find complete tutorial on my YouTube channel. I will share the link for this watercolor presentation on the comments and in the description of this tutorial. Okay. And now by playing with these settings here, with the display graphic settings, you can make different types of presentations. This tutorial was about how to create the white and black or gray bird silhouettes using text font. So now, as you can see, by changing these settings, you can create different type presentations. Okay, that's it, dear friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my works with your colleagues and friends. See you in the next tutorial.